Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to improve your vehicle's performance and appearance. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the importance of vehicle alteration. Vehicle alteration is the process of modifying your vehicle to suit your personal preferences and needs. It can involve changes in the engine, color, tires, brakes, lights, sunroof, air conditioning and more. Vehicle alteration can have many benefits, such as increasing fuel efficiency by tuning your engine, replacing your air filter, installing a turbocharger or a supercharger. You can boost your vehicle's power and reduce fuel consumption. Enhancing safety by upgrading your brakes, tires, suspension, steering and lights. You can improve your vehicle's handling, braking, stability and visibility on the road. Improving comfort by adding a sunroof, air conditioning, leather seats, sound system or a navigation system. You can make your vehicle more comfortable and enjoyable to drive. Expressing your personality by changing the color, design, stickers or accessories of your vehicle. You can make it stand out from the crowd and reflect your style and taste. However, before you decide to alter your vehicle, you need to be aware of some legal aspects. According to Section 52 of the Motor Vehicle Act in India, Carat 11, alteration of motor vehicle is allowed only after prior permission of the registering authority. You need to apply for an alteration certificate online through the Parivahan Sewa portal, Square 2, and pay the required fee. You also need to submit documents such as registration certificate, insurance certificate, pollution under control certificate and proof of address. You can find the detailed steps on how to apply for an alteration certificate in this PDF document, Cube 3. If you fail to obtain an alteration certificate or make illegal modifications that violate the safety or emission norms of your vehicle, you may face penalties such as fine, imprisonment or cancellation of registration. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a professional mechanic or an authorized dealer before altering your vehicle. Vehicle alteration is a great way to customize your vehicle and make it more suitable for your needs and preferences. However, you need to follow the rules and regulations of your country and state to avoid any legal trouble. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on vehicle modification.